I'm going to be showing you how to change frame rate in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you're in the game and open it. And after you're here, you should see something like this. So it's an open world space. And after you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see this Where Winds Meet icon. So this is the game's icon. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you've done so, you have all sorts of options here regarding your appearance, journal, quest. So all you need to do, look at the right side where you can see the gear icon. Just tap there, and now you have options like game, camera, display, audio, language, and others. All you need to do is go ahead and tap on display, since that is where frame rate must be. Just tap here, and you just need to find frame rate right below motion sickness reduction. After you're here, as you can see, it says medium 25 here, but if you want to change it, just tap there, and you can change it to high, ultra, extremely high, or supreme. So you also need to know that sometimes the ultra or extremely high options aren't available to you, and it's regarding your device. Although the game will automatically set the frame rate for you, you can change it if you like. You also have options like wallpaper mode, snowfall effect, and everything else here. So there you go. That's how you change frame rate in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.